Hello and welcome to Bookalope's fourth video tutorial. In this video, we will go through how Bookalope cleans up and structures your book and how you can review and adjust the results to bring out the best out of your book. Let's get started. Once you've finished uploading your manuscript document, Bookalope will then go on to process it and will take your book flow to the next step, the review page. At the top of the review page, you'll be given the option to select your preferred content checking. You'll be able to pick between three options: Don't Check, Simple Defaults, or Chicago Manual of Style. Depending on the languages specified in the metadata information provided previously and the contents of your text, you will have additional options available such as Check Spelling, Classify Other Languages, and Check URLs. This will revise your uploaded manuscript and highlight any errors or misspellings throughout the text so that you can easily spot them and change them. We will dive deeper into spell checking and second language markup in a separate tutorial. Within the review page, you'll be able to check if Bookalope has understood the structure of your book correctly and make any necessary changes. Using its custom AI, Bookalope analyzes the design and styling of every text element of your original manuscript and assigns a structure label to each element to give your book its formal structure. Think of table of contents, chapter titles, section titles, paragraphs, images, graphs, etc. Having a document that is optimally structured is key to creating truly accessible content. This, above all else, is Bookalope's main mission. Its labeling engine is designed to ensure the orderly flow of your book content and its optimal readability on any device. The right side of the page will show you your processed book rendered as close to the original document as possible. You can also select to view your document based on its structure rather than its original style by pressing the X key or toggling the preview switch in the floating toolbox at the bottom of the page. The review page enables you to tweak the classification labels and add more meaningful and enriching information to each element in your document. This is to confirm that Bookalope classified the visual styling of your book correctly and therefore understood the structure of your book. You can review and modify the labels that Bookalope has assigned to each of the elements in your manuscript on the left side of the page. If you want to add more detailed information to any of the elements in your manuscript, you can do so by using the toolbox. Such additional information is generally optional, but we recommend you spend some time adding it to ensure you create a truly accessible ebook. Your readers will thank you for it too. We'll go over how to tweak the classification labels and utilizing the toolbox to its maximum potential in a separate tutorial. Finally, you can also use the review page as a basic text editor in case you want to fix any typos or make any other changes to your text by simply clicking on a paragraph. You'll find more detailed instructions of all the tools to review your document at the top of the page and in our online manual page. You can also check out our individual tutorial videos that go through the use of every tool so that you can create the most optimally structured book. You'll find the links for these in the description box below. Once you're done reviewing the structure and content of your book and you're happy with your changes, click the Confirm and Finish button at the bottom of the page. This will take you to the final step in your book flow, your book conversion. That's it for now. In our next video, we'll talk about how to convert your manuscript into your final accessible ebook and all the available export formats. Thank you for watching.